Hello everybody and welcome to today's assembly. Can I say hi?
Hi.
Oh, you look a bit different today, Sam. What have you got on your head?
My granddad's hat.
It's a special type of hat. It's called a beret because your grandbear, he was a Royal Marine. And can you remember why you're wearing it today?
Because there was a big horrible war.
There was the Second World War. But you know what? There was a day called VE Day. Can you remember what it stood for?
No.
It stood for Victory in Europe, and that's because it's the day the war ended. And tomorrow, it's 75 years since the war ended. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Hey Sam, you're not looking at the camera. They want to see your lovely face. There we go. So, was there something interesting over there?
No.
No. Okay, so it's 75 years since the war finished. And war's a really horrible thing because lots of people get hurt and some people even die, and lots of people did in that one. But what's amazing about it is all the people who risk their lives to help other people. And it makes me think about today and all those people who are risking their lives going into hospitals and doing deliveries with that horrible illness COVID that's out there, you know? So people are amazing and I want to celebrate that. And look, we've also got here, do you remember what these were? Do you know what these are? Do you know what these are called? What are they called?
My granddad's badges.
They're badges. They're special types of badges. They're medals. And you know when you get a sticker for doing good work at school? Well, these are kind of like extra special stickers. They're medals for people that not only do good work, but they save people's lives, or they do really amazing, brave things, or they serve in a battle. And this actually isn't your granddad's. These are your great-granddad's. These are my granddad's medals that we've got. So we're about to show you the story. And this story, can you remember what it's about, Sam? Go on, have a think. It's about our rights. It's called My Little Book of Big Freedoms. And it's so important that we're reading the story because that's what that horrible war was about protecting our freedoms. Yeah, and we're so lucky to have all the rights and the freedoms that we have. You all right? Because most kids at Millfields have a roof over their heads. It might not be a permanent one, but most of us have got a roof and a bed to sleep in and lots of food to eat. So we're very lucky because lots of people don't have that at the moment. So, My Little Book of Big Freedoms, illustrated by Chris Riddell. We all want a good life, to have fun, to be safe and happy and fulfilled. For this to happen, we need to look after each other. Here in the United Kingdom, there are 16 different freedoms that help look after us. They are truly wonderful, precious things. Chris Riddell has drawn some pictures for us. Each of them shows one of our freedoms. These freedoms were created to protect every one of us forever. They are part of something called the Human Rights Act. We need to stand up for these freedoms and look after them, just as they look after us.
We all have the right to life. Nobody has the right to hurt us. No one has the right to make us slaves. No one has the right to look us up without good reason. If we're put on trial, we must be treated fairly. You can't be punished if you've done something wrong.
If there was no law against it when you did it.
We have the right to live with our family.
And live our lives the way we choose. The government shouldn't spy on us.
We all have the right to think or believe whatever we like.
We all have the right to the information we need to make up our own minds. We have the right to say what we think and share ideas with other people. We all have the right to spend time with other people and get together to
look after each other. Every grown-up is allowed to marry and have a family if they want to. We all have the same rights.
No one can take them away or give us different ones because of who we are or because we are different from them.
Everyone has the right to own and share things. We all have the right to learn. We all have the right to take part in running our country.
Every grown-up should be allowed to say who they want to be their leader.
No one's allowed to kill us even if we've done something very bad.
Okay, everybody, well, we wish you all a fabulous bank holiday weekend. It's bye-bye from me.
Goodbye from me because I just saw a butterfly.
You saw a butterfly. Well, that's lovely. Have a lovely weekend, everyone. Bye. Is there a bye?
Bye.